Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to easily set up web push notifications with Webpushr. So you log in to your admin area. On the left sidebar, you scroll down to plugins, and as you hover over plugins, click on Add New, and then you type Webpushr. This page opens up. Okay, let's have a look at more details, what this particular plugin does. It has lots of features. Let's just come to features here. It supports all popular browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, Opera, etc. It supports both HTTP and HTTPS. Automatic notifications automatically send notifications to visitors every time you publish a new post. This is really very, very important. And if you have WooCommerce, automatically send notifications when you add a new product or drop a price for an existing product. So it has lots of incredible features which you'll be able to read on your own. Also, it explains how to go about the installation. You'll be able to see the screenshots and reviews, etc. So what we are going to do now is click on Activate. You'll be directed to this page. If you are new to Webpushr, you click one-step registration and you register. It is really easy, okay? If you already are registered, which is my case, you have to enter the REST API key. So I am going to go ahead and click on activating. I beg your pardon, I'm sorry. I'm going to click on Webpushr Web Console because I have to find out what the API key is. Okay, and this is going to be a new site. So I click Add New Site, and I am going to enter, I'm going to upload an icon. So click Upload Icon, and this is the one I am looking for, and open. There it is. This is a WordPress website. Enter a name to remember your website. So let's just go here. Okay. And I am going to enter the URL over there. And here I am going to just leave travels. Let's have travels with Kathy. Snap. Okay, perhaps we can remove this. So like that. And my site is, yes, our site is HTTPS. And then next step. Once I click on the button, I get the API key. And afterwards it says, welcome to Webpushr. So I go back and I enter the REST API key in this field, right? Once you have entered your API key, you'll be directed to this page, Webpushr configuration, and it shows you the notification that your visitors, that the visitors to your website will receive. Would you like to receive notifications on latest updates? And if any of your visitors clicks on yes, then in future, whatever blog post you publish, he or she will be notified. Cool, right? By default, you are given a couple of settings. So new post settings page, enable push web push. It is enabled by default. Notification title we leave as is. Notification message and post excerpt we leave as is. And post type, it gives post. Now, you may be interested in also adding your your pages. So every time you publish a new page, if this is like this, every time you publish a new page, your visitors will be notified that you have published a new page. In my particular case, I am interested in posts. Every time I publish a post, I want everyone who subscribed to receive a notification about my new post. And additionally, what I also have are the videos. So if your website has videos, you'll be able to add videos. If you are on WooCommerce and you have new products, all this you'll be able to add here. Notification icon, featured image, notification image, featured image. UTM parameters we leave blank. Select segment all users by default. Automatic notifications, automatically send push notifications when a new post is published. This is very important. And then automatically send push notification when an existing post is updated. Definitely not. I normally, after I publish a post, I think of new things to add or update in terms of images, what have you. And if I do this 5 or 8 times, I don't want everyone on my notifications list to be informed every time an update has been done. So this I would leave blank. Auto hide notifications automatically hides notification after a few seconds once it is displayed. This setting is applicable on Windows only. So you don't want the notification to stay on forever. So this is very important. And manual integration, by the way, I am going to click not yet for now. Manual integration disable, automatic integration, check this if you want to manually integrate Webpushr, which I don't recommend. So let's go ahead and click on Save Settings button. So it will show that your settings have been saved, but in any case, always scroll down slowly and make sure that indeed all your settings have been saved. Great. So continue scrolling down, welcome notifications. And by the way, we are on Webpushr, okay, and we are in configuration. All right, so please use Webpushr, Web Console to compose and activate a welcome push message. So let's do that. So we are in the welcome notification section, and I am going to click on Webpushr Web Console. This page opens up. Let us look for the website and travels with Kathy Slam. Okay. And now we want to go to, of course, you're not going to have any active users because all this is brand new. So you are going to go to Setup, and on the drop down, you click on Opt-in prompt. All right. So here it says Setup prompt, when to show after n seconds. Okay. You have other options: show immediately, show after nth page view, show after n seconds. So I am going to opt for show after n seconds, and I am going to leave as 5 seconds. Good. The prompt type, I am going to leave this as is. Select custom and prompt type, leave lightbox 1. And for your text, would you like to receive notifications on the latest updates? This is how your visitors, how this notification is going to display to your visitors. So the icon, would you like to receive notifications on the latest updates? You'll be able to change the text there. You can change the icon, and I would leave everything else as is by default and go ahead and click on save. So just wait a few moments opt-in prompt updated successfully. Well done. We are making progress. So you have done all the settings correctly. You saved. It shows their opt-in has been updated successfully. Okay, where are we? We are still on the dashboard of webpushr.com, and the site is travelswithkathyslamp.com. Right. So I would like to recommend that you go through the settings on the drop down of setup. Okay, all of them are in good working order by default, but you may be interested in changing one or more settings. Now, one other setting I would like to show you is the welcome push. So let's do this. Welcome notifications. This is how the visitors are going to be notified once they have subscribed to your Webpushr. Okay, welcome notification title. Thank you for subscribing. This is the text. You can edit this at any time. This is how it will show on the notification. And body will notify you on the latest news and updates. Will notify you. It's right there. Okay. Make sure that your URL is showing correctly, including the HTTP or even better HTTPS. And then also upload your icon. So your icon will display here and your image will display here. I just would like to show you, if you hover over the question mark, it shows you the sizes, it shows you the recommended sizes, and the same with the image. In this particular case, the image, I've used the featured image of Kathy, which is 1200 by 675 pixels. All right, and you click on update. Okay, and one more thing I'd like to show you is, of course, this is brand new, but as soon as people start subscribing to your notifications, you'll be able to see the chart here. You'll be able to see quite a lot of stats throughout. This is extremely useful. One more thing I would like to show you is, the last thing I'd like to show you is, let's open the tab and paste. So let's see what happens on this particular blog post, which is Kathy's latest one. So cruising in Alaska, and just waiting there. So it was not very clear. I'm going to try this again. New tab and paste. Okay. Let's just wait. Cruising in Alaska. Wait a few seconds and the notification appears. I hope that this video was helpful. And if this is the case, would you give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? Thanks and cheers.